Understanding Faculty Assembly, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, faculty assembly. This phrase is commonly used in academic contexts, so understanding it can be really helpful, especially for those of you interested in or involved with educational environments. Let's dive in. Faculty assembly is a compound noun made up of two words, faculty and assembly. Let's break them down. Faculty. This refers to a group of teachers or educators at a school, college, or university. Assembly. This is a gathering or meeting of people, often for a specific purpose. When combined, faculty assembly refers to a gathering or meeting of educators at an educational institution. Faculty assemblies are important in educational settings. They are used for discussing academic policies, curriculum planning, sharing educational strategies, addressing school-wide issues. These meetings are essential for ensuring the smooth running of educational institutions and maintaining high educational standards. To help you understand better, here are some examples of how faculty assembly can be used in sentences. 1. The faculty assembly will convene next Thursday to discuss the new grading system. 2. As a new teacher, I attended my first faculty assembly yesterday. 3. Decisions made in the faculty assembly can significantly impact student learning. And that's a wrap on faculty assembly. Remember, this phrase is commonly used in educational contexts to refer to meetings of educators. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Stay tuned for more helpful English language learning content, and don't forget to practice using the phrase in your conversations. Happy learning!